This air-operated 50-to-1 mobile grease pump kit from Roughneck helps you easily transfer and dispense grease from 33-pound to 66-pound drums. Quickly and precisely dispense grease with the 1.76 GPM flow from the double-action 115 PSI grease pump. Get effective pumping action from the follower plate, which is pulled toward the bottom of the drum. Keep dust and impurities from contaminating grease with the drum cover. Deliver grease wherever it's needed in your shop or garage by moving the pump on the drum trolley. Get everything you need for effective pumping with a set of fluid transfer accessories, including a grease gun with control valve for trouble-free dispensing, and a 1/4-inch by 13-foot connection hose. Easily transfer and dispense grease in your shop or garage with this air-operated 50-to-1 mobile grease pump kit from Roughneck. Only at Northern Tool.